victory sleeps. One by one the silence dream, chasing shadows of a forgotten dream. Counting past us soft and low, waiting for a face I used to know. Dust motes dance in amber light, lost in the rhythm of the fading night. The single bolt begins to warm, chasing away the coming storm. And the velvet starts to sway in a slow, hypnotic way. We move without moving, we hum without sound. On this endless loop, we're forever bound. We move without moving, we hum without sound. As the crushed teal circles, never touching ground. Years have passed, the shift is gone, but the timing carries on and on. No footsteps echo, no voice to call, just the velvet steady fall. This industrial hush, a tender ache for a promised time could never break. Each roll of breath, a whispered sigh beneath the ever-watching eye. A single bulb, a steady gleam, feeding this industrial dream. And the velvet starts to sway in a slow, hypnotic way. We move without moving, we hum without sound. On this endless loop, we're forever bound. We move without moving, we hum without sound. As the crushed teal circles, never touching ground. Is this a hymn or just a drone? A symphony of the alone, each sway